Hello, good afternoon to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can make Google as your home page on Microsoft Edge. Yes, this is making Google as the home page, not the search engine, default search engine. If you want search engine, I made another tutorial. I'll keep the link in the description. You can go there. See here, I am opening Microsoft Edge and the starting loading page itself, it is Google. So if you open Microsoft Edge browser, if any other page is loading instead of this Google page, I'll show you the setting how you okay, right now my internet connection is down, so it is showing me this one. But see here, the starting page itself is Google. So how you can keep this setting? Yeah, you can click on these three dots and then click on settings. Okay, under settings you need to scroll down, not here, and click on this start home and new tab. See here, start home and new tabs, and here under pages your settings will be empty if you don't keep this one initially. Okay, I'll delete and I'll add it again. Instead of open the new tab, you can click on this third option, open these pages, and click on add a new page and copy the Google URL initially and paste it here under settings, paste, click on add. Okay, that's it. I'll close this and relaunch the browser again. And when I relaunch the browser again, the home page or the starting load page will be Google directly. So this is how you can actually make Google as the home page. Under settings, start and home page, and click on open these pages and give you a Google URL. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.